I'm gonna try and fix that jacket. Hi guys, Tamara here. Thanks so much for joining me. This week's video is just a follow-up to last week's DIY fail. I had the expectation of doing this beautiful like dark and light denim, and as you can see it didn't turn out. It went a little bit lighter, so I did go on to Instagram and I asked you guys if you thought that I should try and dye it again to get out the yellow. The vote was 94%, let's do it again. So here we go, round 2. I had previously gone to Lead & Drugs and I just picked up 2 dyes. I chose blue and gray, and just in case the blue was too purple, I wanted the gray to cancel out and help tone it down. Super simple, used a plastic bucket. I've got my Rit Dye, plastic gloves because you don't want to stain your hands. I went onto Rit website and they recommended you wet your clothing, add salt. Apparently it's a secret ingredient, it has some sort of chemical reaction. Another thing they suggested is you add dish soap, and apparently the dish soap helps the color float more evenly onto the article. So what I'm doing here is just adding a little bit of each dye. I kind of just eyeballed it and gave it a good swirl. From there, I took the jacket and I soaked it 1 or 2 times really quickly. I didn't let it soak, I didn't let it seep, because this dye you'll find is really intense. Pulled it out and then gave it a good rinse till the water ran clear. You just want to make sure there's absolutely no dye coming off, because if you wash any of your other clothing, it's going to bleed into whatever else is in with your laundry. On the seams, they had gotten over bleach. You won't notice that much of a difference. Basically what the dye helped do was just get rid of the over bleached seams. So the dye helped neutralize that, and I'm really loving the look of it. Like I said, it's super subtle, you can't really notice, and that's what I love. There's also a few imperfections that happened on the front of the jacket, which I absolutely love. I think it just adds a little bit of personality. Then I just styled it with a pair of my favorite booties, a graphic tee that was definitely inspired by Frank Vinyl. So yeah, that is my video today. That was my quick DIY fixer-upper. Like I said, today's just a short and sweet video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you like the distressing. Anyways guys, have a great day. Thank you so much for joining me.